The Primo software is designed to deliver the best possible user experience. The v2026.3 release takes the power of the list views in the software a step further. The data in the list view is what the user is most interested in. A typical list view in Primo used to look like this. There is limited space for displaying records. Now let's look at the changes made to achieve the user experience improvements. Other elements of the user interface have been moved or changed to provide the maximum space possible for the table containing the data of interest. We removed the header and footer to provide much more room for records in lists views and reports. Footer items like About Us and T's and C's moved into the avatar menu. The site selector, which was previously in the header, has moved into the menu bar. We removed the far right toolbar to give horizontal room to fit more columns. Engine status, contextual help, and the avatar menu moved to the top right, in line with the breadcrumb. Action buttons, add, back, acknowledge, pause, etc., now occupy the space the footer used to take. Menus that require a toolbar, such as the dashboard, will still display one. Table headers and footers are now sticky. When scrolling through a long list, like enrollment records or reports, the column headers stay visible, and pagination controls remain accessible without needing to scroll back to the top. A comparison of the old list view to the new one shows that the better use of space makes the list views now provide even more value. However, the changes have been applied so that the user still has a very clear understanding of where they are in the software, and the necessary controls are all still easily accessible and intuitive. This principle has also been applied to the reports. Reports now require an explicit Run Report click before executing. This allows the user to set filters before running the report. Upon initial loading, all filter selections are applied simultaneously. Subsequent changes take effect immediately. Predefined filters have been added above selected reports. These predefined filters will assist users who are new to filters in getting started quickly. Previously, the absenteeism report was divided into two separate reports, one for today and another for this week. The absenteeism report has now been consolidated into a single report featuring a week selector with predefined filters. Primo now has a comprehensive audit report that exposes all of the audit information collected by the system. An audit report is used to log and track operators' activities within the system, for security, monitoring, and accountability. This includes everything from logging into the software, to enrolling a new user, running a report, or configuring an action. Everything that any operator does within the system is recorded and can be displayed in this report. On a typical site, a large amount of audit data can be generated in a single day. For this reason, the audit report is limited to a single day of records. A fixed date filter allows the user to select a target date. All audit data collected for the target date is displayed in the report. Most recent activity appears at the top, and as you go down the report, you go further back in time. The audit information in the report is grouped. The action taken by the operator is the parent record. Expanding the parent record shows the activities that happened in the system to implement the action taken by the operator. If you are interested in the activity of a particular operator, then you can filter the report to show only the actions taken by the operator of interest. You may instead want to focus on a particular type of action, such as when the operator logged in. You can filter the report to show only the action type that you are interested in. The latest Primo release delivers a more powerful and intuitive experience.